Welcome to your Form Friday challenge. Today we are going to be looking at shifting in bird dogs. All right, so I want you to find a foam roller or something else that is very, very light and tippy. So something that can easily fall over if you barely touch it. I mean, even just barely. And what you're gonna do is go into that hands and knees position, and I want you to snug your hip up next to the foam roller where you're almost pushing against it a little bit to hold that positioning or posture. You can see how I'm kind of bumping it a little and moving it. Now from here, I want you to think about bringing your head up nice and long, lengthening your neck. And I want you to think about tightening your abdominals through a nice exhale as you go and lift. Now you are gonna lift, if your foam roller is on your left hip, you are gonna lift your left hand and your right leg. Okay, so left hand and right leg. Now what I would advise you to do is lift one at a time. So try to lift that hand and then try to lift that hip and make sure you don't touch the foam roller at all. So what we don't want to see happen, the whole point of doing bird dogs is to get those little muscles called multifidi. They help to stabilize your spine. And if you go to do a bird dog and you shift all over the place, you drop, you shift, you move, you kind of bypass those muscles, all right? And you're not really working the exercise for the goal and how it was intended. So give that a shot. That is your challenge. I want you to snug up next to it. And I want you to almost, you're touching it a little bit. I want you to feel the outside of your leg resting on the roller. I want this to be precarious. Maybe get your kids to set up like one of those Jenga puzzles and you can go right next to the Jenga puzzle or something. I don't know, you can find something fun if you don't have a foam roller. And then I want you to hold and I want you to lift, okay? Nothing moves, nothing shifts, okay? And start there and try that challenge to see if you can truly keep it that